Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and I don't know about you, but I think that olive trees are such a gorgeous piece of decor. This 7-foot olive tree is from CROSOFMI, and I just think it's beautiful. It works so well in all areas of my home. It really brightens up any corner you put it in and just makes it feel full and finished, but very simple and minimalist too. The quality of this tree is top notch. It comes in several pieces, everything is labeled. It really simply slips together and then you're good to go. It has a faux ceramic planter, so it looks high quality, it looks real, it's got the mossy feel to it. Very, very nicely done. And then even the tree branches look like real bark. Each leaf is a natural, pretty color. They are silk leaves with the olives popped in there for a little splash of color. I just love the whole thing. I just think it's so pretty. You're able to manipulate the branches however you wish for the final look. It has a really nice weight to it, so it's not tipping over, it stays in place. They do come in different heights. This one is 7 feet tall, so it really makes a nice statement, but they have all sorts of sizes for whatever you wish for your space. I absolutely love it. I think the quality is fantastic, and I'm sure you'll love it too, and that's my point of view.